As Dr. Estrada mentioned, it's one of the greatest tools we have, and it is a huge equity lever when we talk about credit for prior learning in the California community colleges. Many students arrive with years of work, military training, and industry credentials, and credit for prior learning turns that experience into academic progress. The benefits of CPL is the recognition of diverse learning. We're talking about learning outside of the classroom, learning of years of work in the military or in industry, and bringing that to accelerate for degree completion. And that's the next one, accelerating completion, reducing costs and expanding access. When we can remove tuition and fees and books, the costs of all of that, especially today, there are students that cannot afford college. And when we can take that away through credit for prior learning, it's huge for students. Supporting workforce mobility. Students that have been out in the workforce, they can come with industry credentials, be recognized for that, and promote in their current careers and then expand into other careers. Advances equity goals, as was mentioned, in alignment with the guided pathways and Vision 2030. And the most important is the encouragement for students. When we can validate and see students and recognize the learning, the value that they bring to our colleges, where it's the sufficient mastery, it's going to encourage them to attend college, especially those students that might not have otherwise attended college are going to be motivated to come to your colleges. CPL matters. It's outcomes that impact transfer and completion. It's not just about access. We're talking about student success towards completion of academic and career goals. We're talking about faster time to completion. Students receiving CPL complete degrees and certificates more quickly. They reduce time by not repeating known content that they've already learned outside the traditional classroom. And I mentioned before, it supports the Guided Pathways acceleration. It's a positive impact for veterans. When we're looking at our veterans and the extensive leadership, knowledge, skills, training that they bring to the table, and we can take that and translate it into recognized academic progress, it is motivating and validating for those veterans that are coming to our colleges. And again, the importance of reducing that duplication of learning. No one wants to have to redo what they've already learned, as well as reducing unit accumulation, prevents the retaking of known courses, supports efficient unit completion, while staying within the threshold set by the UC and CSU on unit limits. The impact on equity and efficiency, recognizing learning from work, military service, and credentials, expanding access for those diverse learners, and while at the same time maintaining academic integrity. It is up to the disciplined faculty. It's their purview for what is approved for CPL. So we are going to maintain that integrity while meeting sufficient mastery of courses that are being looked at for credit for prior learning opportunities.